In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the lower function, or the lower function, to create lowercase letters for all of the characters in a cell in Excel 2016. So let's go over to our Fabricam Alarm Codes 2 file that we've been using in the last video. We're going to click cell F11. We're going to type O code 1. And in G11, we're going to type O code 2. So we're going to go back down to F12. In the Formulas tab, in the text group, we're going to click lower. So we're going to find lower, so we're going to lowercase something. So the text is the text you want to convert to lowercase. So in the text box, click F2. So we're going to lowercase this, click OK. And we can pull this all the way down. So now we have a string of lowercase letters or numbers. Now, or it allows us to understand the difference between zeros and O's is really what it's doing. So now, code 2, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do recently used, lower. We're going to use this one. So G2, click OK. And we'll make all those lowercase also. That way we can tell the difference between O's and zeros. And that's how you use the lowercase, or the lower function in Excel 2016.